Hey, what's going on everybody? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Clickbank sales using Instagram traffic. Now the traffic source I'm going to be using is super fast Instagram traffic. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it and how you can set this up in literally under an hour, probably even sooner. I'm going to do it step by step for you guys in this video. Guys, if you are new to my channel, again, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, guys, my goal is to help you build a passive income system to help you make a full-time income and help you achieve financial freedom. So guys, I would appreciate if you subscribe to the channel. I do videos on how to grow your YouTube channel, how to drive free traffic, how to do affiliate marketing, anything like that, guys. So I would appreciate the subscribe. And let's go ahead and get started with the actual method. So guys, this is what we're going to do. This is basically, we're choosing a niche in Clickbank. We're choosing an offer. We're finding Instagram influencers, and then we're creating a post for them to post, and then we're making money, okay? Very, very simple. I'm going to show you exactly how I do it and how you can do this in literally under an hour. I know a lot of people have tried Instagram influencers, but the way I'm going to teach you today is using a website that allows you to find influencers very, very quickly and in your niche, okay? Okay, so first of all, we're going to have to go to clickbank.com and figure out our niche, okay? So in this particular video, I'm going to be doing, how to make money online, stuff like that, okay? So if you go to Clickbank, if you are new to Clickbank, make sure to create an account. It's very easy to do. Just create an account, and then basically, let me just go back from the beginning here. If you go to clickbank.com, if you go to the affiliate marketplace, you can figure out what niche you want to do. So this works for anything, guys, health, cooking, making money online, anything like that, that works. So once you figure out your niche, now you got to figure out an offer for you to promote. Okay. So for example, if I were to choose a make money online, you go to e-business and marketing, but like I said, you can choose whatever you want to promote. Okay. I'm going to show you how to find the right Instagram influencers as well. Okay. So in here, you want to find an offer that you're going to make a decent amount of money, right? Cause you're going to be paying influencers to promote these products. Okay. So for example, if we go in here and I'm going to sort this by gravity, there's all these products here. Now, the trick here is to find a good affiliate page, okay? The reason why is because we want to find a video that we can just literally just give the influencer and they can promote it right away, okay? So there's a ton of items in here, $71 commission, $64 commission. So you can pick a product that you want to promote and you want to, be able to help people out, and you also can make money with it, right? So what I mean by a good affiliate page, for example, if you're going to promote this product here, click on the affiliate page, okay? So if you click on the affiliate page, you should be able to find, let me pause this here. You should be able to find a page where it gives you videos, it gives you social media posts, it gives you Instagram swipe, all that stuff. Now, specifically, we're going to be talking about Instagram swipe up feature, okay? And I'm going to show you why. So once we figure out, we figured out our niche, we figured out our offer. Now we got to find the Instagram influencers, okay? So this is the website that we're going to be using. It's going to be called shoutcart.com, okay? So this is a really cool website where you can actually go and you can find influencers in your niche, okay? So like I said, fitness, there's cars, there's animals, all kinds of stuff, okay? So for me specifically, I'm going to be choosing the luxury and motivation that kind of ties hand in hand with entrepreneurship, stuff like that. So I'm going to be choosing this for myself, okay? And I actually did this already, but I'm going to go through this as if I were doing it again, okay? So they have certain things you can do, okay? They have these packages here where, like, it's literally all these influencers. You're paying $78 for, like, literally almost a million. I think this is, 1.2 million people are going to, potentially see your post, okay? So you're literally paying only $78 for all these people to post your shout out, okay? Now, what I like to do, you can do this if you want, but what I like to do is I like to go to browse, and I like to pick my influencers specifically. That way I know, this influencer is good, this influencer is okay. You might have to do some testing before you put a lot of money into this. But for me, I just like to stick with Instagram story and swipe up link. That has done the best for me. So if I go to, I'm going to just pick Instagram story and link. And then I'll show you what I do, okay? So now I can do that, and then I'm just going to choose luxury and motivation. And then from here, now I can choose exactly who I want to work with, okay? I thought I took this off. Okay, let me do this again. Okay, Instagram story and link. Okay, now I can work with any of these influencers. So literally like 200,000 followers for only $10. Okay. So obviously, some of these may be really good. Some of them may be okay. You really just want to do your research on them. You can literally just see who these people are on Instagram and see if they're getting good engagement rates, stuff like that. But I'm going to go with this one right here. It's only $10. And I'll show you what I'm going to do now. Okay, so what I'm looking for here is you can do a 2-hour shout out. You can do 6-hour. They have different rates here. But this is actually a 24-hour Instagram story and swipe up. Okay, this is the one I want. Okay, and I'll show you why. So I'm going to pick this here. I'm going to add to campaign. And then what we got to do now is give them something to promote, right? So once we go here, I'm going to go to the next step. And I'm going to show you exactly what I do here now, okay? So Instagram story caption, you don't really need much. Typically, I like to put my Instagram to get, more followers, but you don't really need anything here. This is obviously the most important part is the story swipe up a link. This is where you want them to go, right? So for example, if we're promoting this product here, right? On Clickbank, we're going to go back and we're going to promote, we're going to grab our link, okay? So we're going to go here and we're going to hit promote, okay? If you want to promote this product, obviously this works for anything you want to do. So I'm going to put my account name, which you create once you create the account. And this is your link here, guys, okay? This is the link that you want to send them to from the Instagram story swipe up, okay? So we're going to click this. We're going to go here and we can add that in here, okay? Now, I'm not going to do this yet because I want to show you kind of an advanced tactic that I'm going to be using as well, okay? Now, the example I'm going to be showing you is a product that I'm currently promoting at the moment. This is it's called the Knowledge Broker Blueprint, and this product is a very high ticket product, so that's why I'm promoting this one. But this will work for any products in Clickbank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, anything like that, guys. But I'm going to show you just this example since this is what I'm promoting right now, okay? So these guys will give you email and social media copy. This is what I was telling you. So you want to make sure in your Clickbank they have all these pages here. So if you go to the affiliate page, they should give you the videos and the pictures that you want to use, okay? This is very important. I'll show you why. Now there's a workaround if if you can't find someone that has all the videos and stuff, you can create your own. It just takes a little longer, okay? But literally, they have all these Instagram swipe up links, and I already downloaded a few here. Let me see if I can find it. So this one's literally already done for you. You can see here. This is the program I'm going to be promoting, and it's literally just a swipe up. It tells people to swipe up. Okay, so this is the program I'm promoting right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the link, my affiliate link, and then put it in there. Okay, now here's an advanced tactic. Okay, if we go back here, we can literally just find the Instagram influencer, which I showed you how on shoutcart.com, and then all we got to do is create the post and promo. Now, you don't have to create it. You can just get it from the affiliate page like I just showed you. It's already done for you, okay? Now, what you can do here is, let me go back to the order. Okay, right here. Okay, so here we can choose your Instagram story and file. So once you download it, remember I showed you this one here, so we can literally just put that in there. That's exactly what they're going to post for you, okay? Now, this is the part I want to talk about. There's an advanced way to do this, and there's a beginner way to do this, okay? The beginner way is to literally just put the link straight to the affiliate offer, okay? But what I like to do is I like to collect an email before I send them to the offer, okay? The reason why I do this, and if you've watched my past videos, is because I'm trying to create a long-term business, right? So I'm collecting emails, and now I have all these emails, and I can send an email out anytime I want because that's my traffic now, okay? Instead of sending them just to an offer where you don't collect an email, that's not the best way to do this. Now, some people just are kind of lazy and don't want to create a page, so I actually create a page for you guys. So let me show you what I did here. Okay, so this is my page that I created. This is literally the page I've done. Obviously I created my own video, and if you've seen my past videos on Clickbank, I always like to add bonuses. That way people will be even more inclined to buy from my link. Okay, so you can see here I've added bonuses, but I'm not going to go too much into that. You can watch my past videos. It's more my advanced stuff that I do. But what I do want to show you though is creating this bridge page. Okay, so if I go back here, I want to show you. Oops. Okay, let me see if I can find it. Here we go. So this is the page I created. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually give this page to you guys, and you guys can change this up however you want in order to, what's it called? In order to promote any product you want. It's super easy, guys. Literally just go in here and edit page. And you can just basically change the text, change the pictures to whatever you need, whatever you're promoting. Okay. So very, very easy to do. So if you're promoting, like I said, that one product, the 12-minute affiliate system, just literally just change the heading and change the pictures to make it your product. Okay. So, you can take this off if you don't want to do bonuses. That's totally okay. Change this picture, obviously, and then change this up to make it your page. Now you can see here, I'm collecting this email address. Okay. It's very, very important that you're collecting an email address. If you haven't, if you don't know how to set this up, like if you don't know how to use Clickfunnels, if you don't know how to use GetResponse, I have videos where I literally set this up from beginning to end in under 20 minutes. I will link that in the resource section below. That way it will help you figure out how to set this up if you don't know how to do this. So in the resource section, I'm going to give you this page absolutely free. I'm going to give you the video on how to set this up if you don't know how. And then I will also actually give you a link to Shoutcard. I believe you get $10 to $20 if you use my affiliate link, and it's no additional cost to you guys. It just gives you an incentive to use my link if you'd like. If not, no worries. Okay. But anyways, now what I do is if we go back to where we at here, the actual order page. So remember, so we can send them straight to the affiliate offer. But if you're more advanced, if you want to actually create a long-term business, I want to send them to my landing page, okay, which is where I'm collecting an email. So if we go back here to the page I'm going to give you guys, let me see here. In here, this software is called Clickfunnels, guys. So very, very easy software. I use this in everything I do. Okay. So this is the link here now. Okay. Now in here, I want to show you something very important actually inside of here. So remember, this is the page before we send them to the actual offer. Okay. Because we're collecting an email for ourselves. Now, if we wanted, remember, we have to send them to the offer now. So I get a lot of questions like this in my Facebook group. So if I go to general, this is where we're sending them after they enter their email here. Okay. So like, let's just say we're promoting this one again in Clickbank. We're going to hit promote. Remember, we're using this, this link here. But now if we wanted to go from our advanced page where we're getting an email just from ourselves, now we can put them in, put this link here. It goes from the bridge page. This is what this calls, and then we're sending them straight to the offer. Okay. So it's just a page from the Instagram influencer to the actual offer. Okay. Hopefully that makes sense. I don't want to confuse you guys, but that's basically the best way to do this. I promise you guys, because if you're collecting your email leads in your own business, you can literally promote any products you want. Okay, it becomes very powerful. Okay, but anyways, now this is the actual link here that we want to send the Instagram influencers to. So if we go back here to the order, now you can see here that now I can add this link. Now people will go to my specific page. They'll enter their email from that page. It'll go straight to the offer that I want them to go to. Okay. So I have the video that I want. I have the Instagram link, and then I don't have to have a caption here because it's not an actual post. It's just a story. Okay. So the video tells everything they need to know. Tells them everything they need to know. Now here I go to next step. Okay, they need something, so I'm just going to put passive income lifestyles. That way they can tag me in it. Okay, that's fine. Okay. So in the next step, now we can just schedule it. Let me see here. Takes a second to upload, I believe. But yeah, basically very easy from here, guys. You just literally schedule your when you want them to post it. Typically during the day, like midday or like later in the evening, like 7 o'clock is the best time to do it. But it really depends on, obviously where you live and stuff like that. But, you can choose the date and literally just pay for it, and that's it. And this was, I think, what, $20, guys. And you're literally, this specific influencer was like 200,000 people following them. Okay. So you can see the power of influencer marketing. And a lot of people get stuck with this because a lot of people teach just to go and message all these people. And it takes a lot of time. I understand that. So I'm like, okay, let's figure out a way I can do this fast and get my traffic going. Okay. So anyways, I want to show you that I actually did this method 3 times. I have 3 orders right now that are pending, and I'm ready for them to send traffic to. Okay, so that's basically it, guys. Hopefully this video made sense. Hopefully that you guys are able to drive some commissions using Instagram. Instagram is very, very powerful still, and a lot of people actually don't use influencers, and I did this back in the day when I was doing my drop shipping store, and I was getting a ton of traffic, guys. Very, very good method. And like I said, so if you guys are interested in the free page that I'm offering, guys, it'll be linked in the description below. Also, I'm going to give you guys the referral link to Shoutcard. That way you guys, I believe you get $10 to $20 off your first order. And then I'll also link the video on how to create the page, how to create the emails, how to set up the email, all that good stuff if you don't know how to do that. So anyway, guys, I hope this video was of value to you guys. Let me know what you guys think in the video below. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm very active in my Facebook group, so if you have any questions, join the Facebook group. We're in there. I'm in there all the time. People are helping each other out. Awesome group. But guys, subscribe to the channel. Leave me a comment. Like this video. It helps me grow on YouTube. I would really, really appreciate that. And we'll talk to you guys soon.